Artificial intelligence, AI, has quietly woven itself into nearly every corner of modern life, from the way we shop online to how our homes are powered. But one of the most subtle and transformative changes is happening in a place most people don't even notice: their wallets. Personal finance, once driven by spreadsheets and manual budgeting, is now being reshaped by algorithms, predictive analytics, and machine learning tools. AI is working behind the scenes to help consumers save more, invest smarter, and avoid financial mistakes, often without them even realizing it. These innovations are not only making money management more efficient, but also more personalized and accessible. In this video, we'll explore 10 surprising ways AI is changing personal finance, some you may be aware of, and others that might just surprise you. 1. Personalized budgeting tools. Traditional budgeting methods were rigid and one-size-fits-all, but AI-powered financial apps have revolutionized the process. Platforms like YNAB, Clio, and PocketGuard use machine learning to analyze your income, spending patterns, and financial goals to offer custom budgets that adjust in real time. These tools detect your habits, like how much you usually spend on groceries or coffee, and automatically tweak your budget to keep you on track. Instead of manually updating spreadsheets, users now benefit from dynamic, intelligent budgeting that gets smarter the more it learns about their behavior. It's budgeting, but on autopilot, with a personal finance coach built into your pocket. 2. Automated savings algorithms. Saving money used to rely solely on willpower, but AI is making it effortless with automated savings tools. Apps like Digit or Capital use algorithms to analyze your spending habits and transfer small, safe-to-save amounts into savings without you noticing. These systems take into account your cash flow, bills, and even upcoming expenses to determine how much you can spare, then move the funds automatically. Some even use behavioral nudges or gamification to motivate saving. By removing the friction of manual transfers, AI makes it possible to build savings steadily, even for people who struggle to set money aside on their own. 3. AI-powered investment advice. Robo-advisors have completely changed the investment landscape. Services like Betterment, Wealthfront, and Sophie use AI to build and manage diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance, goals, and financial situation. These platforms use real-time data and predictive models to rebalance portfolios, minimize tax liability, and optimize returns, all with minimal human intervention. Unlike traditional financial advisors who may charge high fees, robo-advisors offer low-cost, automated investment management that's accessible to nearly everyone. For people new to investing, it's like having a financial planner working behind the scenes 24/7, powered by AI and data science. 4. Smart credit scoring and loan approvals. AI is also shaking up how lenders evaluate creditworthiness. Instead of relying solely on FICO scores and credit reports, many lenders now use AI algorithms that analyze a broader range of factors, like utility bill payments, bank account activity, and even social signals. This more nuanced approach can help borrowers with limited credit history access loans they might otherwise be denied. Companies like Upstart and Zest AI use machine learning to assess risk more accurately and fairly. This evolution in credit scoring means more people can qualify for better rates, and decisions are made faster and with fewer biases. 5. Real-time fraud detection. AI is your invisible bodyguard when it comes to fraud protection. Banks and credit card companies are using machine learning algorithms to monitor transactions and detect anomalies in real time. These systems flag unusual activity, like a charge in a different country or a suspiciously large purchase, and alert you instantly. Unlike rule-based systems of the past, AI fraud detection evolves as it learns more about your behavior, improving its accuracy over time. It's why you might get a text about a suspicious transaction seconds after it happens. AI doesn't sleep, and that's a huge asset in an age of increasing cybercrime. 6. Virtual financial assistants. AI-powered virtual assistants like Erica from Bank of America or Eno from Capital One are reshaping the customer service experience in personal finance. These smart bots do more than just check your balance. They provide insights into your spending, flag subscription increases, and help you avoid overdrafts. By combining natural language processing with data analytics, they offer real-time financial guidance in a conversational format. Instead of waiting on hold or digging through statements, Users can simply ask questions and get actionable advice. Virtual assistants are turning complex financial information into digestible, timely insights, making money management as easy as chatting with a friend. 7. AI in tax optimization. AI is now being used to simplify and optimize tax planning, especially for freelancers, investors, and small business owners. Apps like TurboTax and H&R Block have incorporated AI to guide users through personalized tax filing processes, identifying deductions and credits they might have missed. Some platforms even monitor financial activity throughout the year to recommend proactive tax-saving strategies before it's time to file. AI takes into account changing tax laws, personal financial data, and spending behavior to suggest ways to minimize liability legally and efficiently. For those who dread tax season, AI has become an invaluable digital accountant working silently in the background. 8. Behavioral analytics to curb overspending. Overspending isn't just a financial issue, it's often behavioral. That's why some AI-powered apps now focus on psychology as much as math. Tools like Truebill and Monarch track your spending patterns and use behavioral analytics to spot risky habits, like impulsive buying or emotional spending. They send smart alerts or offer nudges, like reminding you how much you've spent on dining out this month, to encourage better choices. These platforms aren't just tracking numbers. They're trying to understand why you spend the way you do and help you course correct before it becomes a financial issue. 9. Personalized debt repayment plans. AI is revolutionizing the way people tackle debt. Traditional debt repayment plans often followed a simple rule, like paying off the highest interest card first. But now, AI-driven tools like Tally and Undebt.it offer personalized repayment strategies that take into account your balances, interest rates, income, and spending behavior. These apps create customized timelines and make recommendations that align with your financial reality. Some even automate payments to optimize your progress while avoiding fees. By removing guesswork and using real-time data, AI empowers users to reduce debt faster and more effectively than manual strategies ever could. 10. Predictive financial planning. Imagine if your finances could tell the future. That's essentially what AI-driven predictive models are now doing. Platforms like Mint, Personal Capital, and other fintech apps are using historical spending data and AI forecasts to predict future income, expenses, and financial milestones. They can simulate scenarios, like how much you'll have saved by retirement, or what happens if your rent increases, helping you plan ahead with greater confidence. This type of forecasting is far more precise than human intuition, allowing users to make smarter decisions today that positively affect tomorrow. It turns financial planning from a guessing game into a guided journey. AI's role in personal finance is no longer futuristic, it's here, and it's transforming how we manage money every day. From budgeting and saving to investing and paying off debt, AI is making personal finance more intelligent, intuitive, and inclusive. These tools aren't just convenient, they're changing the financial lives of millions by offering insights, automation, and decision-making support that was once reserved for those who could afford a personal advisor. The best part? Much of this innovation happens quietly, in the background, without requiring technical know-how from users. Still, being aware of how AI is shaping your financial journey is crucial. The more you understand these tools, the better you can leverage them to build wealth, reduce stress, and take control of your financial future. In a world that's becoming increasingly digital, smart money management starts with smart technology, and AI is leading the way.